In this video, we're going to be going over the volatility index of the S&P 500, aka the VIX. Now, what this does is this gauges and records the volatility within the markets, okay? So the higher these spikes go, the more fear is in the market, and the lower you go, the lower it is, the lower it prints, the lower it stays, there's less fear within the markets. The higher the spike, the more the fear. The lower it is, the lower the fear. With that being said, just like any other chart and these candles, okay? This, they're all touching. If you were to take a horizontal line, boom, there's 9 points within this. I pulled up every single article and we're going to go over them, right? We're going to start with this one over here. Okay. 1998, a global financial meltdown. Russia and Brazil saw their economies enter a free fall, right? Next one, September 11th, a very horrible day in American history, very sad day in the world. We're going to move right along from that one. This next one, 2002, right? We got the SARS outbreak. We were all going to die. That's never happened before. This next one, we're going to skip the big one because I'm saving the two big ones for last. It's all going to come full circle as soon as I show you. All right. This one down here, June 2010, we've got futures trading, a mass sell-off of many S&P futures contracts. Forced a lot of fear in the markets and a big crash. A great time to buy the stocks that your heart holds. That was horrible. Anyway, 2011, we've got financing and investing. Black Monday, another global stock market crash. All right. Over here, we've got September 2015. Okay. Chinese stock market crash. Right. A lot of fear in the markets. Markets crashed. We've got February of 18. Federal Reserve just spoke and said we were going to issue less rate hikes next year, but investors were not appeased, and the Dow Jones fell 352 points. Manipulation. Manipulation. Moving right along. All right, these two big ones. All right. Does anyone remember what happened in 2008? The GFC, the global financial crisis. Madness. It was madness. Presented opportunity within the stock market and a couple of years later in real estate. Heavy. If you invested in those two times, it was life changing. 10 years later, it changed your life if you invested smart. And then we've got March of 2020. Does anyone remember what that was? So, with all this being said, okay, we went through 9 different things. All right. If you take 9/11 out of this, and you take SARS out of this, and you take COVID out of this, every single one of these were a financial institution type of crisis. Stock market, banking. Now, before I go to this next slide, I just want everyone to see something. We're way down here right now. I'm not sure how no one's scared, how no one's fearful. Our savings accounts have completely flip-flopped to negative, and we have debt. 2 years ago, savings were at an all-time high, and credit was at an all-time low. That has now completely flipped around the other way, okay? In a short 2 years. We're way down here and no one's scared, okay? let's not forget what's potentially on the horizon. All right. And then also, when you keep track of this, notice how fast the fear index goes up. It just shoots up. That was 1 month. This one right here, 2 weeks pretty much. This one here, 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, it went all the way up and pulled back to halfway down. Like 2015, that Chinese one, that was a scare. So all of these rhyme. All of 6 out of those 3 had nothing to do with financial institutions. The rest of them did. And this is all I'm saying. All right. Pay attention. This is a guide. All right. This is one of those things you use and utilize on top of other things to just pay attention to the markets, where your entries, your exits, all of those things are at. If you guys got any value from this, please like, comment, subscribe, and share with a family member, friend, or loved one. And I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless.